everyone, welcome back to my channel, Life on the Savage Farm. My name is Jessica Savage. I hope you're ready for a motivational video because we have lots of cleaning, cooking, farm life, and I want to say almost a vlog video. Lots of stuff going on, lots of goodies for you guys. Be sure you stick around to the end because you won't want to miss everything I have to show y'all. Today I'll be showing you what all happens in my evening routine while the kids are out of school. It gets very busy in this Savage household. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your morning coffee. You like my melons? I hope y'all got a good laugh because I sure did picking those up. When you hang out with me, you definitely have to have a sense of humor. Growing up around my two older brothers, had a lot of guy friends because I was tomboyish, then especially being around my husband Chris. Being around him has certainly rubbed off the last 14 years. Don't worry, I'm very nice, very loving, very helpful, very supportive, but I love to joke around to make people laugh and smile. Now I'm getting the dishes rinsed off and placed into the dishwasher. Whatever I cannot fit, I end up washing by hand and drying them off with my dish rag. Washing dishes is just so relaxing, very therapeutic to me. I literally can wash dishes all day just to know my sink is clean and not full. Otherwise, I cannot function with my kitchen being a mess.
Is it so hard to let you go? is it so hard to let you
Walk outside. I just have to mess with Chris all the time. I just love my husband so much. That's 14 years of marriage for you, but never a dull moment. I'm thankful for every minute of it, but you're definitely going to see a lot more goofy stuff in this video. Y'all see my cute little kitchen stand over there, standing over the stove? I came across the idea on Pinterest and told Chris about it. So I got all the materials, the paint, he then ended up putting it together for me and I painted it. I couldn't be any happier with how it turned out. So clean, so bright, so easy to clean, and it just stands out over my black stove. I'll have a video up on it next week to show y'all how we put it together. My favorite part of cleaning this kitchen is my farmhouse sink, you guys. I love it, and to literally watch the dirt come off is so satisfying. I use the Soft Scrub OxiCleaner on it because it works the best. It smells great, no harsh fumes, so I hope y'all love this part of me cleaning it as much as I do.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Okay, the kitchen is all clean, all ready for me to do the ducks dinner for tonight. I don't know about y'all, but the kitchen has to be clean. Like, I cannot work in a dirty kitchen, whether it's cooking, making stuff for my ducks. Can't have anything in the sink, anything on the counters. It's dirty. So I'm gonna pull out steak for dinner. Chris is gonna cook that on the grill, so I'm excited about that. And I have something to show y'all, something really cool and neat that I had gotten in the mail, so stay tuned for that. Chris, steak, right? Can you come get it? I only have one hand. And the other one's holding the camera. Oh, that reminds me, you remember Will Ferrell? Ma! The meatloaf! Make the meatloaf! So, we'll be back.
It's the sirloin.
Is the what?
It's the sirloin.
The sirloin? Oh, we're going to have good sirloin.
Excuse me.
We'll turn it on. You got in thought. You turned, okay, now the water flowing. All right, the steak's thawing out, so we're gonna leave that in the sink, and I'm going to prepare the ducks dinner. So y'all will head with me outside to water the plants, take care of them, and then we'll come back into the kitchen and start dinner. All right, I'm going to show you everything that I feed my Welsh Harlequin ducks, but this is just dinner time, you guys. They eat 3 times a day, and I'm always making their fruit and veggie bowls. Some folks still can't believe I feed them this way. They tell me that they're spoiled. Mind you, it's okay. They can eat this way. They can eat like this. They can eat healthy just like you. Plus, what you feed them is what is returned into their eggs that you eat. So if you want to eat healthy, then they should be fed healthy too. Oh, and this, believe it or not, but ducks can eat these crushed eggs that I'm showing you guys. You rinse them out after you cook the egg and add it to their meal. It's a good source of calcium to help with their joints. Alright y'all, I'm outside. We're getting ready to feed the ducks, and the humidity out here. Am I gleaming? Kind of. Oh, sweating, but look who's waiting. Are y'all ready to eat? Are ya? I'll show y'all how I feed them. Come on. Alright, while the ducks are eating their vegetables, we're going to check on the chickens, make sure they have enough water and feed for tonight. And then once the ducks eat all their vegetables, I'll go ahead and dump like a bucket of feed so they can still get their fiber. Want to make sure they eat all the healthy stuff first before they go to the feed. So here are the chickens. Say hello. Oh, hello, Mr. Fabio. Hello. Oh, he my gorgeous Roo. Hello. And his little lady. All right, let's take care of these guys and see what they got. Do y'all see this? I had to take a minute. Look at this. Look at this. Excuse me. Hey. Hey. We gotta let her out. I'm glad this thing isn't screwed on. Hey. Are you trying to keep all the food to yourself? You gotta come out. Yep, come out. All right. All right, they got feed. Woo! They got feed for tonight. All right, and it looks like they're good on water too. My kids are outside helping me. Christopher, where are your shoes? See, that's how you're supposed to dress. See? Boots. All right, let's go help Daddy with the pond. Woo, is that the pond?
Huh?
Is that the smell from the... Man, this thing gets so dirty so quick. But Daddy gonna clean it all nice. Make it all nice and pretty. All right, my daughter's gonna help me get the feed. So what are we getting?
The pellet feed.
The pellets for the ducks, yes. You gotta fill that up. There you go. So let's put that in the first one. Close that up. All right. All right, show them how bonkers these ducks go. All right, now, and then we'll go fill it up again. All right, thank you, Alyssa.
And you're welcome.
And what's that, Dylan?
Oh, this one.
Oh, they're almost done with that. That's what's left of all the vegetables. So now we fed them their feed to get their fiber and their calcium and protein and nutrients, all of that good stuff.
And this is them dinner.
Yeah, that's their dinner. Looking pretty good.
Wow.
All right, so that's gonna fill up and I'm gonna go ahead and water the plants in our garden.
And that's
Well, I'm a dense. I can't water the garden yet because the hose is filling up the pond. What are you doing, Christopher? Y'all are like, oh my God, we're on camera. So I gotta wait for the pond to fill up and then we'll water the plants, I promise. What are you doing? Kids. You see my son? You see my son?
Hey.
Christopher, leave that rooster alone. There they go. So this is what we do every evening. The ducks know the sound clap. So when they hear that clap, they know it's time to go into their pen. Look at that. Awesome. Thank you guys.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different.
Well, I hope you're enjoying this video so far and you're enjoying my cameraman at the moment. My son Christopher really wanted to film me, so I thought this was the best time for him to do it while I was watering all the plants. He's 13 years old, but he's such a sweet, bright, well-mannered kid. He's always wanting to help his mama since he plays so much video games with his daddy. I wouldn't change it for the world though. They have so much fun together. However, as y'all seen, I have so many plants. We have evergreen onion, cucumbers, green beans, watermelons, Spanish onion, Bibb lettuce, okra, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, broccoli, jalapeno, and banana peppers, and corn. Woo! I believe that's it. So far we've eaten the Bibb lettuce, green beans, tomatoes, and now we're fixing to pick out the okra, or my husband Chris and Alyssa, they want to get those taken off so we could have it another day for dinner.
How you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my future. Would you react to me? We are reacting. So much differently.
Okay, all the plants are watered, they're good to go, they're not thirsty anymore, and I'm going to go back inside and wipe off my face because I'm just dripping sweat. This humidity is just horrible, but before I went back inside, I want to show y'all what bloomed this morning. I forgot to post it on Instagram, but I'll do that tomorrow. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this sunflower! Y'all see it? Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty! Alright, that was enough beauty for today. You have me now. So, we're gonna go back inside. How big is that? Let me see.
It's like witch's fingers.
Oh my, wait, hold on. Y'all, look at that thing. That is huge. That's like the Grinch fingers.
Let me do these.
Hubby's getting the grill ready for our steak. We're grilling, right?
Yes, ma'am, we are. I'm gonna grill up that steak tonight.
Yay! Awesome.
And then just rid those things this way. Not even lot.
A little goes a long way. You gonna cook that steak good? Un poquito. I asked you if you're gonna cook it good, not tell me a little. Mucho. Oh my goodness. My eyes are on the steak. Ooh. That looks so good. Oh, look at that meat.
Okay.
Yay! All right, you guys, we're back inside. Chris is taking care of the steak outside. He's gonna go ahead and get that ready for us and get it all cooked. While he's doing that, I'm gonna be here cooking rice, corn, green beans, and potatoes. And if y'all notice, I brought some cans over here because remember how I said earlier, I had a little surprise. I had something that I really wanted to show y'all. So here it is. You're like, what is that? Oh my God, well let me tell you. It's the Yes You Can electric can opener by Kitchen Mama. Love it. Already tried it on one of my cans. It's my new best friend. It literally does a 360, cutting the can open all the way around the top. It's awesome. This goes on the outside, and this little turner goes on the inside, how you would normally cut the can. The magnet for the top so it can hold it in place, and then you just push this button. You hear it? And you push it again, and it releases it and comes off. So, I'm gonna show y'all what this thing does and how cool it is. Oh, best part, it's cordless, and it only takes 4 AA batteries. Awesome. I'm already ready to get rid of my old can opener, the one with the cord, because, oh, that's what it was. It also leaves a smooth edge when it cuts the top of the can. You don't gotta worry about cutting yourself like old can openers do. So, I gotta show y'all. Let's do this. Now y'all tell me that wasn't awesome. Look at this. Look at this. So smooth all around the edge. You don't gotta worry about cutting yourself, and hands-free. Who wouldn't want this can opener? This electric can opener. This thing is awesome. So I gotta do 4 more cans, but dude, why am I calling you dude? Y'all have to have this. So, Kitchen Mama electric can opener. Gotta get it. Wasn't that very soothing and just mind-blowing to watch? Watching this Kitchen Mama electric can opener just cut this can in a 360 all by itself. You didn't have to hold it. You just sit there and watched it, and it gave you a top with a smooth edge. And the best part about this is when you're all done with it, you just grab it, you open up your drawer, and you just put it away. All done. That's it. That easy. That simple. And if y'all really want it, you can go to shopkitchenmama.com. Look for that electric can opener. They have it in red and in like a teal green. And you could shop with using my discount code. It's Jessica S10 and it's 10% off. So y'all go get yourself a lovely, beautiful electric can opener.
That was a day, you guys. What a day. Actually, that was only the evening time. I guess you can only imagine what my day consists of from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Dinner turned out great. That steak was so good and the rest of the meal was delicious. I want to thank you guys so much for spending the day with us. We're really glad to have you be a part of our YouTube family. Our kids had so much fun helping us with this today. I hope you got a lot of motivation and inspiration from us. Please consider subscribing to our channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, because as always it will really help out my channel. We thank you guys so much for your love and support. It means everything to us. Head over to our Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm, and follow us there too. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much for watching again, you guys. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye.